We are located 450 kilometers northeast of Montreal, and here we have long and harsh winters. The black spruce that are here, they rarely get much bigger than 4 to 7 inches. So right from day one, customers were setting the bar very high in terms of speed they wanted to reach. And it's listening to these customers that have led us to be the leaders in terms of high-speed planers.
I started in the company in 2002. Sylvain Gilbert, owner, wanted to expand the sales outside of Quebec. We started by selling a first planer in Ontario in 2002, and then expanded our sales to the West Coast, then eventually West USA. In 2005, we entered the European market to Vida in Sweden. And almost 20 years later, this planer behind me is also going to another Vida mill in Sweden. We're in 20 different countries now, from Australia, New Zealand, Argentina, Brazil, Sweden, Germany, Latvia. We're proud to be able to sell our equipment worldwide.
Sylvain Gilbert founded the company in 1986, and from the get-go they had a team, a small team. They were doing shutdowns in the weekends, and they quickly acquired the reputation of making repairs that lasted longer than the original equipment. We have 4 divisions in our company: off-road, where we do snow groomers; forestry, where we do feller bunchers; sawmilling, famous for our fastest planers in the world; and construction for our pile drivers. The fact that we are vertically integrated from engineering to the production allows us to take customer feedback and quickly integrate it into the products. In this, we are very agile. This is how our products have evolved.
We've installed plenty of their pieces of equipment in all different types of facilities, whether it's dimension or studs, and they have always supported us without a doubt. If we have an issue, they'll give us whatever we need to get up and going as fast as we can.
We are working on solutions to help our clients face today's challenges. So we work a lot on automation, ergonomics, and simplicity. We're always searching for more sustainable solutions like lowering our power consumption, continue to make great products for our clients, and reduce our carbon footprint.
On a commencé en 1986, puis c'était dans l'entretien des équipements de série. Puis dès 87, on a ouvert la première entreprise avec des machines à contrôle numérique. Puis ça nous a aidé beaucoup à automatiser les équipements de nos clients. Puis aussi, on écoutait beaucoup nos clients pour savoir quel genre de machine ou quel genre d'amélioration, puis comment eux voyaient ça aussi. Puis la technologie nous a permis de donner beaucoup plus à nos clients par heure de travail que sans cette technologie-là.
Sylvain's focus on efficiency not only made the products that we deliver our customers better, it also makes our process better. And every time we improve our processes, we improve the value that we can give to our customers. People, when they think of automation, usually they think of a robot that will do a complex task. Here, we take the non-value added part of the processes, and this is what we automate. So then the skills of the best machinist, he can use it to machine a part, and the AGVs will just do the delivery of the raw material to him.
Last year, we manufactured more than 93,000 parts. From all those parts, we make more than 8,000 different mechanical assemblies. So we do a lot of different parts all the time. What is important is that the quality control are integrated inside our process. So we're making sure that every step is controlled.
Today, we are seen as one of the most modern shops in Quebec. I think this expertise can transpire into the products that we offer our customers. The markets that we serve are growing, and we will adapt our products to keep serving our customers better in the future.
We are really proud of the impact we have on our community and to be able to offer our employees a health-promoting work environment by offering sports installation, a daycare, and flexible work schedule.